Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically move your videos around on CapCut PC using keyframes. So there's a lot, but we're just going to focus on this one because we're going to basically move it, So we have the scale one, so you can add a keyframe here, for instance, and add another one here. You don't have to add another one to zoom in. And then you can add another one if you want to zoom out. You're just going to double click it to get it back to its original position. So it's going to like zoom in and then it's going to zoom out again. That's the scale one. Next we have is the position one. Okay, so I'm actually just going to scale it in a little bit. Then I'm going to add in a keyframe here. So like here, we can move it to the right. We can make it, pan a little bit to the left. And then like down here, maybe. Then like to the right. And then like to its original position. Just again, double click it. And that is the one for the position. And now we can do the rotation, which again, add a keyframe at the beginning. And then here, for instance, I want it to rotate sideways. I can do that. Then I can make it rotated like this way to the left. And again to the right. And you can like make it rotate like fully if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!